and welcome back to Traffic Jumbo. In the previous video, we learned how to submit articles. You've also heard the term spinning. Now in this video, we are going to discuss that in detail and learn how to submit content for maximum backlink power. The purpose of spinning is to produce unique copies of your article every time it's published on blogs. Another reason for spinning your article is for better spin rates. These numbers are seen by site owners when your article is presented for approval. You will find that an article that has not been rewritten get rejected more often than those with high spin rates. There are two ways by which this can be accomplished. First is Traffic Jumbo's assisted rewriting feature, accessible from various areas, from the articles list, the edit article page, the article preview page, and it also comes up automatically after saving your article for the first time. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, I am presented with a sentence that has not yet been rewritten. Sometimes you might see just phrases here, and that happens when the rest of the words in that sentence already have variations. You can supply up to 10 variations of this one sentence. Adding 10 alternative sentences is best, but you can leave some of these fields blank. If you don't want to rewrite this at all, you can leave all the fields blank and click either Save and Next to rewrite the next sentence, or Save and Exit to leave the rewriting screen. When you publish this article, the system randomly selects any of the variations that you've entered to present to our members. This is how the sentence is seen on the Edit Article window. The curly bracket and tilde that you notice there are called delimiters, and that brings us to the second method of spinning. We do this to further ensure uniqueness and have a little more control over variations. There are two sets of delimiters that you can use to indicate alternate content that must be spun when the system presents the final version of the article to our members. Remember that your delimiters must always be balanced. This means that you must always have a matching opening and closing delimiter. If you happen to see any of these characters in the preview of the article, then search for an unbalanced delimiter in your content. Simple content spinning is the easiest and is often sufficient for most articles. It's where you have several alternate versions of a single block of text. In this example, you only have one sentence and essentially just replacing synonyms. Once you become comfortable with simple spinning, move on to the more complex method because that is where the real power lies. Here we use second-level spins. It's where you have a block of text with alternate versions, and within those versions is another set of alternates. When you feed this into the system, it will first decide which sentence to use. Will it be the John sentence or the Mary sentence? Once that's done, it's going to look into that selected sentence for the variations delimited with square brackets and randomly pick one of the options. If your entire article is properly constructed with two-level spinning, you can be assured that every copy of your article that's distributed will be unique. Imagine if you have a 400-word article and each sentence had variations, and the words within these sentences also had variations. The number of possible combinations is huge.